Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We carry several of the top knife brands, and Spyderco happens to be one of them. The Spyderco Dragonfly 2 Salt, part number C28PYL2, is a great knife to take on your next diving or saltwater boating trip. It features an H1 blade, which measures 2¼ inches long. It has a yellow handle made from fiberglass reinforced nylon. You can keep a good grip on this because of the bi-directional pattern in the handle. And for more specific details, please see the info in the description below. So these cost $80.14, which includes free shipping. And again, make sure to subscribe to see new releases, discount codes, specials, and other everyday carry gear. Thank you.